are students from Agri-Memorial School, Namaya. We are going to present a project with an aim of providing an alternative source of light at our homes in case electricity goes off using available resources. The apparatuses we are going to use include
we have dry cells,
we have connecting wires,
we have a switch,
we have a bulb, and a dry cell holder.
We are going to arrange our apparatus as in the setup.
So as you can see, the students are now connecting to ensure that they produce light using the available resources. Each student is participating using their own apparatus. And then we are going to see the outcome of their project. It's a short project, but they are capable of doing even much better projects using the available resources. For now, they are demonstrating their skills using these few available resources within our environment. So you can see one of them has succeeded in producing light. So that is, yes, there you can see a success, their project. So in such a scenario, you cannot be in darkness when you have these available resources in our environment. So you, according to their project, if you want to produce a simple source of light, you can use these available resources. So let's look at if you wanted to produce a brighter light using a DC bulb. A student who is going to demonstrate if you want to use one light source and then one outlet source, which is a DC bulb.
If you want to produce light which is much brighter, you can use the DC bulb of 12 volts. You arrange the dry cells in series, and then after you connect the dry cells to the switch. Then after you connect the switch to the bulb holder, and you put the bulb into the bulb holder. And then after you switch on the switch, then you will be able to get light that is more brighter than using these small bulbs. With that,
dear viewers, we are students from Agri-Memorial School presenting a physics project with a title demonstrating the function of a policy system and how it is simplified in our daily lives.
Here we have the project of the pulley system, and these are the parts. This is the wheel.
This is the string.
this is the load.
With this pulley system, we can overcome heavy loads, hence simplifying work as demonstrated. This is the load that we are going to overcome, and this is the effort, where we apply the effort. With this pulley system, we can overcome this load through a certain distance, hence simplifying work as shown below. So this project has helped us to solve some problems like burdens of lifting heavy loads. We thank you, our dear viewers,
for watching this video.
Kuyisha
Asa nkora kwata video mu
Ukasoma ngo cyangwa no?
murareba mu video.
Kace urebe kuno kace ntushobokore urikwe kwataho shatora meje kusora koraga ariko mbazina gabo ne bahe
Mazina gani organika? Oh, nice. Umu kusamura kwa nebichi? Mnakora shoe polish. Mnakora sachinachi. Yeah. Okay. Hello,
my name is Rachel, a student of Culinary SS Senior 1B. So we have been learning about temperature and heat and temperature. So we are given an assignment of making a thermometer at home. So I use these local materials that I'm going to explain. I use these two ingredients, food colors, chocolate and orange to make this that looks like color red because I didn't have red. The reason why I chose red is because most of the thermometers have red color in it. So that's why I chose red. And I used alcohol, and that is, I bought it 500 and the food colors were 1,000 each, so that was 2,500 the money I used to buy the ingredients. For the straw and this bottle, I got it from somewhere else. I didn't use a lot of money about it. And it was very easy to make it, and it worked indeed. As you can see, the temperature of that day has already risen. So I also made some markings on it because all temperature thermometers have them as well. I also put chewing gum on top. When I mix the ingredients, I put them in this bottle, and then I put chewing gum on top to cover the hole that is on the bottle top, so that it can actually work. Because if the chewing gum is not there, there's space around the hole, and it will release air whenever you put it in hot water, so the temperature won't rise. But if we close it around, we put chewing gum or clay, so this can also work, the air won't be going out, it will be passing through this hole.